Have you ever wondered what makes orcas one of the most remarkable predators in the ocean? Despite their nickname, orcas are not whales in the usual sense, but the largest members of the dolphin family. They can be found in oceans around the world, from polar waters to tropical seas. Their bodies are built for powerful and efficient swimming. Adult males can grow to around 9 meters in length and weigh several tons. Their enormous dorsal fins can rise dramatically above the water, but their physical power is only part of the story. God created orcas with extraordinarily complex brains and sensory systems. They use echolocation to navigate, locate objects, and identify prey underwater. By producing clicks and analyzing returning echoes, they can gather information about their surroundings. This ability is especially valuable in dark or murky water. Their hearing is also highly developed. Different orca populations can produce distinctive calls and sounds. Some groups even have their own recognizable vocal traditions. And this is where their story becomes extraordinary. Orcas live in tightly connected social groups called pods. A pod can contain several generations of related animals. Young orcas can remain closely associated with their mothers for many years. In some populations, adult males spend their lives traveling with their mothers. These powerful family bonds are among the most fascinating features of orca society. But their cooperation goes far beyond staying together. Orcas can coordinate their movements while hunting. Different individuals may perform different roles during the same hunt. Some drive prey toward other members of the group. Others wait in strategic positions. This requires precise timing and communication. Scientists have documented highly specialized hunting techniques in different orca populations. Some orcas create waves to wash seals from floating ice. Others work together to surround schools of fish. Certain populations specialize in particular prey. These hunting traditions can be passed from older animals to younger members. This means knowledge can spread through generations. It is one of the most remarkable examples of learned behavior known among marine mammals. Yet there is another extraordinary ability. Orcas can travel enormous distances through the open ocean. Their streamlined bodies allow them to maintain powerful swimming speeds. Their strong tails generate tremendous thrust. Their thick layer of blubber helps regulate body temperature in cold water. God created these systems with remarkable precision. Every part of the orca's body contributes to its ability to live in the marine environment. But size alone does not explain their success. Their intelligence plays a crucial role. Researchers have observed orcas adapting their hunting behavior to different situations. They can learn from experience. They can remember successful techniques. They can respond to the behavior of other animals. And different populations can develop completely different hunting traditions. This variation has fascinated marine scientists for decades. Some orcas primarily hunt fish. Others specialize in marine mammals, such as seals or sea lions. Their diets can therefore vary dramatically between populations. Even their vocal behavior can differ between groups. Scientists describe these learned differences as cultural traditions. The word culture may sound unusual when discussing wild animals, but it reflects how some behaviors can be learned socially rather than being purely instinctive. Young orcas have opportunities to observe experienced members of their pod. They can practice techniques before becoming highly efficient hunters. This learning process can take years, and the bond between mother and calf is especially important. A young orca depends heavily on its mother during its early life. The mother provides protection, guidance, and opportunities to learn. Researchers have even documented cases in which older females appear to play important roles within their family groups. This becomes especially interesting in populations where females can live for many decades. But orcas face serious challenges as well. Human activities can introduce dangerous pollutants into marine ecosystems. Underwater noise from ships and industrial activity can interfere with communication and echolocation. Reduced availability of prey can also affect some populations. Entanglement in fishing gear represents another potential threat. Scientists monitor wild orcas to understand how these pressures affect different populations. Conservation efforts depend on accurate information. Researchers use photographs, acoustic recordings, satellite observations, and long-term field studies. Every observation adds another piece to the puzzle, and the more scientists learn, the more remarkable these animals become. Orcas are powerful predators, but they are also highly social and intelligent marine mammals. Their coordinated hunting, communication, and family relationships reveal extraordinary biological complexity. Their existence reflects the precision and wisdom of God's creation. The ocean still contains many mysteries that science has not completely explained. Every encounter with an orca can reveal another clue about life beneath the waves. And perhaps the greatest question is not how powerful an orca can become. It is how much more we still have to discover about one of the most extraordinary creatures God placed in the world's oceans.